Mabrika! Welcome to a new episode of Let's Talk Taíno. I'm Priscilla Colon, co-founder and creative here at Casa Reito, where our mission is to promote the Taíno language and culture. Before we begin, I'd love you to take a moment to click on that notifications button and subscribe to our channel. It will help you stay informed about all the latest premieres that we have every week and allow us to reach more people like you who are interested in learning about the Taíno language and culture. Now, let's move on to today's episode. Last week, I introduced you to a game called 3 Questions. It's a game that teachers use to make sure that you're really learning new vocabulary words. Now, the questions go from progressively simple to progressively hard, and they are Question 1, a yes or no question, where the answer is either yes or no. Question 2, an either or question where you're presented with a choice between 2 items. And question 3, a personalized question, that is something that you can answer the way that you want to answer. This week, we're going to be answering questions about these animals. Let's review them. Guincho, colibrí, guanajo, múcaro, yaguasa, inriri. Now let's start with the first question, the easiest one. It's going to be yes or no. Let's look at the question. Nahak awatawa? Do they fly? Super simple, huh? So is the answer han han o di ua? Yes or no? Of course, the answer is han han. Yes. Now we'll do question 2. Remember, this is an either or question. You'll be presented with some choices. Question 2 is, Nahak awatawa munture o di munbagua? Do they fly in the sky or in the sea? Your choices are munture o di munbagua, in the sky or in the sea. Well, the logical response is in the sky, of course. Let's take a look at the answer. Munture, in the sky. That wasn't a surprise. Now let's take a look at question 3, the personalized response question. The question is, Haralu buk aiwa? Which do you like? So this is a personalized question because each of us will have a different response. But here is a phrase that you can use to come up with your own answer. You can complete the phrase, dak aiwa, I like, and then fill in the blank with your answer. Your answer can be one of the animals. Guincho, colibrí, guanajo, múcaro, yaguasa, inriri. Here's what I would say. Dak aiwa colibrí. I like the hummingbird. But of course, your answer can be different. Just leave your answer in the comments below. Remember, you just need to complete the phrase dak aiwa, I like, with one of the animal names. Wasn't that a super simple activity? All we did was ask 3 questions about vocabulary items that we'd already studied, and we got a little bit more information about them, as well as we got to practice new vocabulary words in complete questions and answers. Now, before we leave, let's review one more time everything we learned today. Awatawa, to fly. Nahak awatawa, do they fly? Han han o di ua, yes or no? Munture, in the sky. Munbagua, in the sea. Munture o di munbagua, in the sky or in the sea. Aiwa, to like. Buk aiwa, you like. Haralu buk aiwa, which do you like? Dak aiwa, I like. As always, thank you so much for joining me here today to learn more about Taíno, this language that was our ancestors' language and which we thought was lost for more than 530 years. That is huge, and I know together we can bring back Taíno. I'd love for you to take a moment to check out all of the other resources we have at casareito.com. There you can see our children's books where kids can connect to Mother Nature and learn about the Taíno language and culture. You can also see other resources and take our online course. It uses the latest language learning software for you to learn about the Taíno language and about the culture of our ancestors. You can also sign up for our newsletter to stay in the know. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to see our latest postings. In the meantime, tay karaya, guaitiao nagu.